Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this short video I will show you how you can log in to your WordPress website if you forgot a password and you are using the password reset feature of the website but it doesn't work and you never get the email to reset the password. How you can log in using the cPanel. It's actually very easy. Let's do it. I'm here on my website and I'm logged out. This is actually a website that you can get a digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks. Anyway, you can see on the links below. I'm here on the website. I'm logged out at this moment. And let's say I don't have the password. I have to go to the cPanel. And then on the cPanel, there is something called WordPress Manager. You can find it here or you can find it on the bottom, WordPress Manager. Okay. Depends the hosting you are using. Always you have the choice to find the WordPress Manager. Maybe it looks different than this, but you have to find the WordPress Manager. So when you find it, click on it, and then let's find the website. The website is the digitalstore.terradigital.com. It's a demo website, this one. Let's find it. Here it is. So what you have to do, just click login. Here it says login as admin user in WordPress. Click login, and without to use any password or any username, I'm now logged in to my WordPress dashboard. Before you leave, 1 second. If you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. And if this video gave you value, then make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more video about WordPress and about make money online. See you in another video. Bye bye.